Alright, hey guys. This is the horse farm that I'm making. So, yeah, I'm loading right now. So, be back once it's done loading. Okay, it's loaded. Okay, we have to find a good place. Ooh, some pumpkins. Okay, we need a good place to stay with our horses, obviously. How would it be a horse farm with no horses? Then you should just call it, I don't know. So, I like the view of nature on here and in real life. But on here, it makes it look more beautiful. And it looks greener. Because we don't take care of the earth enough. So that's why actual earth isn't green enough. Basically, earth looks like this over here. Without the super healthy trees. So, ooh. Have you ever made an underground house on Minecraft before? If you have, let me know in the comments. Anyways, looking. Why is this part floating? That creeps me out. Hey, why are you floating? Got any explanation for that? Got any explanation for the floating? Who forgot to... Who forgot you weren't allowed to make a second layer of earth? Like, who forgot? Because they just was like, making a second layer. Ooh, oh, wait, you're not supposed to. It's already a layer. So I might as well abandon it. Who did that? I thought that was a cave over there for a second. Ooh, wait a minute, cave. I don't want to go in the cave. Okay, I'll be back once I found a nice space. So I found a village, but that's not what I need.